Good morning to all of you. Today we will discuss chapter number 4 of class 10th, carbon and its compound, and the topic is for today class is covalent bond. Now we will discuss what is covalent bond and the types of covalent bond. Let us see the definition of covalent bond. The bond which is formed between two atoms by sharing of valence electron is called covalent bond. Now we will see the types of covalent bond. Covalent bonds of three types, which are as follows. Number first is single covalent bond. If there is a single bond between two atoms, then it is called single covalent bond, and the example of such is formation of hydrogen molecules. We know that atomic number of hydrogen is 1, and in K cell hydrogen has one valence electron. So in case of H2, both share one electrons, both share one valence electron of their outermost shell, and they attain nearest noble gas helium electronic configuration like this. So this is the shared pair of electrons. And this is the formation of single covalent bond in hydrogen molecules. Similarly, we can take in chlorine, ammonia, methane, ethane, and some other molecules. So we can explain the formation of single covalent bond in these molecules also. Now we will take another, that is double covalent bond. If the bond formed between two atoms by sharing of two pair electrons, means 4 electrons, it is called double covalent bond, and we can explain it with the formation of oxygen, formation of O2. Oxygen atomic number is 8, so oxygen has 6 valence electron in the outermost shell. So each oxygen share 2 electrons like this, and form dicovalent bond like this. So this is the formation of dicovalent bond or double covalent bond in oxygen. Now we will explain third, that is triple covalent bond. Triple covalent bond is formed by sharing of 6 electrons or 3 paired electrons, and we can taking example of nitrogen, formation of nitrogen, atomic number of nitrogen 7. So nitrogen has 5 valence electron, each nitrogen share 3 electrons to complete 8 electrons in the outermost shell or obtain nearest noble gas electronic configuration. And this is for nitrogen triple covalent bond. Thus we can understood the formation of monocovalent bond, single covalent bond, double covalent bond and triple covalent bond. We can also understand the electron dot structure of some molecules regarding this bond formation. Now we will discuss the topic, that is properties of covalent compounds. Properties of covalent compounds. Covalent compounds have following properties. Number 1, covalent compounds are found in solid, liquid and gaseous state. Number 2 is they have high melting and boiling point. They have low MBBP, not high. Low melting and boiling point. It is because they have very weak force of attraction between molecules, so they are required very less amount of energy to heat, so they have low MBBP. And the third is they are bad conductor of electricity. They are bad conductor of electricity. It is because they do not have ions, or because of not having ion they are poor conductor of electricity. And the last, they are insoluble in water. They are insoluble in water, but they are soluble in alcohol and petrol. So covalent compounds are insoluble in water and they soluble in alcohol or petrol. If we compare the properties of these compounds with ionic compounds are most of solid, but they are found in 3 states. Ionic compounds are good conductor of electricity, but they are poor conductor of electricity. Ionic compounds have high MBBP, they have low MBBP. Ionic compounds are soluble in water, but they are insoluble of water. So I hope in our today class we understood the formation of covalent bond, its type and the properties of covalent compounds. Thank you very much for watching this video.